Cybersecurity is one of the fastest growing career paths in the world. But here's the question I get asked all the time. Which certification should I go for? Security Plus, CEH, OSCP, or something else? Well, today we are breaking it down. In this video, I will explain the top cybersecurity certification, what they cover, who they are for, how much they cost, and whether they are actually worth it. By the end, you will know exactly which certification makes sense for your career. Before we dive in to specific certs, let's clear the air. Certification can open doors. Many recruiters filter resume by certification. Provide knowledge, they show you understand the fundamentals. Boost confidence, they give structure to your learning. But certifications are not everything. A cert without skill is like a driving license without knowing how to drive. So think of certification as a stepping stone, not destination. Let's start with the most popular entry-level certification, CompTIA Security Plus. It's for beginners in IT or cybersecurity. It will cover cybersecurity fundamentals, networking basic, threats, attacks, and vulnerabilities, identity and access management, cryptographic basic. It can cost around $392. Its difficulty is moderate and has multiple choice question with no labs. Why it's valuable? It's often the first certification employers look for. It's DoD approved, meaning government and defense contractor recognize it. Bottom line, if you are brand new to cybersecurity, Security Plus is the best first step. Next up, we have got Certified Ethical Hacker. It's for people who are interested in penetration testing, red teaming, or offensive security. It will cover hacking tools and techniques, reconnaissance, exploitation basics, malware, Trojan, and backdoors. Web app hacking. It can cost around $1,200 to $1,500, which will only cover the exam. Training can push it even higher. It's fairly easy. It's multiple choice, not hand-on. Recruiters and HR department love CEH. It's a big name cert that looks great on your resume. But here's the catch. Many in the cybersecurity community criticizes CEH because it's theoretical and doesn't really test practical skill. If you want recognition, CEH helps. If you want hands-on skill, you will need something else like OSCP. Now, let's talk about the big one, OSCP, Offensive Security Certified Professional. It's for aspiring penetration tester, red teamer, and advanced learners. It will cover real-world penetration testing, exploitation of Windows and Linux, privilege escalation, buffer overflow, and post-exploitation. It can cost around $1,600, which will include 90 days lab access plus exam. It is very difficult. This is one of the toughest certification in the industry. The exam is a 24-hour hand-on hacking test where you must compromise multiple machines and write a full report. Why it's valuable? OSCP proves that you can actually hack. Employers trust it because it's 100% hand-on. If you want to be a penetration tester or red teamer, OSCP is the gold standard. Now, let's switch gears to the CISSP, Certified Information Systems Security Professional. Who it's for? It's for experienced security professional, aiming for senior roles like security manager, CISO, or security architect. Oh, it will cover security and risk management, asset security, security engineering, identity and access management, software development security. It can cost around $749. It's highly difficult. It requires at least 5 years of experience in cybersecurity. Why it's valuable? It's the most respected certification for leadership role. If you want to move into management, compliance, or governance, CISSP is the way. But if you are just starting out, don't touch CISSP yet. It's not meant for beginners. Now, let's quickly cover a few other certifications worth keeping on your radar. CompTIA CISSA Plus focuses on defensive skill, SOC analysis, and threat hunting, great for blue team roles. Next one is CompTIA Pentest Plus, cheaper alternative to CEH with a bit more hands-on approach. Next we have eJPT, eLearn Junior Penetration Tester, affordable. It can cost around $200, beginner friendly and fully hands-on, a great stepping stone for before OSCP. Next we have GIA certification, very expensive. It can be very expensive, which will cost around $2,000 to $5,000, but extremely respected in certain industries like defense and government. Okay, so which one is right for you? If you are brand new, start with Security Plus. If you want to be SOC analyst or blue teamer, you can go for CISA Plus or Splunk certification. If you want to be penetration tester or red teamer, CEH or eJPT, then aim for OSCP. If you want to move into management or senior roles, CISSP is your go-to. Remember, certifications are tools. Don't just collect them. Pick the one that matches your career goal. Here's the truth. You don't need every certification. You don't need to go broke chasing badges. Pick one that fits your path. Learn the skill behind it. Build a portfolio. And when you're ready, stack certification as your career grows. Cybersecurity is about proof, persistence, and passion. Certifications are just milestones along the way. If this video helped clear up the certifications confusion, hit that like button and share it with someone starting their cybersecurity journey. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials, career guides, and insider tips to help you learn, hack, secure. Thanks for watching Shadow of Family, and I will see you in the next one.